You've heard garlic is one of the healthiest foods on earth, right? It's praised for lowering blood pressure, boosting immunity, fighting inflammation, and even helping prevent heart disease and cognitive decline. But here's the part no one tells you. If you prepare or consume garlic the wrong way, you could be wasting all of its benefits or worse, putting your health at serious risk, especially after 60, when your body becomes more sensitive to how nutrients are absorbed. These 6 garlic mistakes could be slowly working against you, and one of them could even be fatal. So grab your notepad or pause that coffee break. In the next few minutes, we're going to break down the most common garlic mistakes seniors make and how to fix them starting today. Because when done right, garlic can become your strongest natural ally for aging well. Let's begin. Mistake number 1. Eating garlic without crushing it first. This might sound simple, but it's the most important step and most people skip it. Garlic only releases allicin, its most powerful compound, after being crushed or chopped. If you swallow whole cloves or cook them right after peeling, you're missing out on the very substance that fights bacteria, viruses, and inflammation. The fix: crush your garlic and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before cooking or eating. That's how you activate its healing powers. Mistake number 2. Cooking garlic at high temperatures. Garlic is delicate. When exposed to high heat, especially when frying, its beneficial compounds like allicin are destroyed in seconds. So if you're throwing garlic straight into a hot pan or oven, you're killing the benefits and creating harmful compounds. The fix: always cook garlic on low heat, or better yet, add it at the end of cooking. If you can tolerate raw garlic, even better, just remember to crush it first. Mistake number 3. Taking garlic on an empty stomach. Yes, garlic is great for digestion, but it's also strong and can irritate the lining of your stomach, especially if you have acid reflux, ulcers, or gastritis. Many seniors experienced increased sensitivity as they age, and garlic on an empty stomach can trigger burning, bloating, or pain. The fix: add garlic to food, never take it like a pill. And if you're unsure, check with your doctor, especially if you're on medications. Mistake number 4. Mixing garlic with these common medications. This is where it gets serious. Garlic is a natural blood thinner. If you're already taking anticoagulants, aspirin, or heart medication, combining them can increase your risk of internal bleeding. Garlic also interacts with some diabetes medications and can dangerously lower blood sugar levels when taken in excess. The fix: always consult your doctor if you're taking medications and want to use garlic daily. It's powerful, but you need to be informed. Mistake number 5. Using old or sprouting garlic. If your garlic has green sprouts or a rubbery texture, toss it. Sprouting garlic contains compounds that may upset your stomach and cause unwanted reactions, especially in older adults with weaker digestion. And moldy garlic, it's not just bad taste, could be toxic. The fix: store garlic in a cool, dry place. Use it fresh. If it starts sprouting, cut the green part out or skip it entirely. Mistake number 6. Believing garlic alone can fix everything. Yes, garlic is a superfood, but if you're eating fast food every day, sleeping poorly, skipping exercise, and expecting garlic to cancel it all out, you're heading in the wrong direction. No single food works alone, especially in your 60s, 70s, or beyond. Your lifestyle as a whole matters more than ever. The fix: let garlic be part of a bigger routine, a balanced diet, daily movement, good hydration, and stress management. That's how garlic really works as part of a team. The right way to eat garlic daily after 60. Here's a simple, powerful routine you can start tomorrow. Crush 1 to 2 cloves of fresh garlic. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Mix it with olive oil or honey. Add it to warm food, not hot pans. Avoid if you're taking blood thinners unless your doctor approves. This combo has been shown to support heart health, immunity, blood pressure, and even memory. And best of all, it's cheap, natural, and right in your kitchen. Final thought: it's never just about garlic. Maybe you've used garlic your whole life. Maybe this is your first time thinking about it seriously. Either way, the goal is the same: to stay strong, sharp, and independent for as long as possible. And that journey starts with small daily choices like how you use a single clove of garlic. So now I want to hear from you. Where are you watching from? Let me know your city or country in the comments. And if you learned something new today, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and join our growing community of seniors choosing a healthier life. because every tip brings you one step closer to living better, longer. And in our next video, we'll reveal the morning mistake that increases inflammation by 300% and how to avoid it with one simple swap. Don't miss it. Until next video.